Now, weather with 27 Storm Track's Catherine Noel.
Hey there everyone and good morning. The warm weather is back once again today. So, yesterday we ended up with a high of 76 degrees, which is fairly warm for this time of year. The forecast today, we are back to the mid and upper 70s once again. Now, the warmest day of the year, so far was April 6th, and we were at 79 degrees. There is a slight chance we could beat that today, but I think we're still going to be just underneath that. So maybe the second warmest day of the year, that cloud weather out there, it's really not holding us back though. It's this warm front that really is just lifting, and we'll show you that in a second. That's why we're experiencing the 70s right now, and some are not, but we are 71, and that's exactly what it feels like. So it feels very nice out there. You can just draw, and I will with my hand. I'll show you exactly where this warm front is, right? So it's just sitting right over us in Dane County. That's why we have a nice almost 15 degree difference between, Baraboo and Madison. Madison and Montello, they are in the 40s, the upper 40s though, the mid 50s, and this warm front's gonna lift a little bit. So Baraboo, you're gonna get to join us in the 70s here later on today, possibly even getting to some warmer temperatures up through Montello. But right now we are experiencing the warmth in Dane County into the south. So 24-hour temp change, we're 10 degrees warmer at least, maybe some up to 15 degrees warmer compared to this time yesterday. Here's a look at our wind speed and direction. We have that southerly flow once again, so this is 2 days in a row. Another reason why we're able to just pull in that heat coming in from the plains and from the south. A little bit of moisture coming with this too, so that's why we're going to be able to get some precipitation, but that warm front where it's sitting is also going to impact our storm chances. So clouds and radar, we do have some rain sticking to central and northern Wisconsin, and that's where it stays during the day today. So we have all this dry time ahead of us. We just have a little bit of cloud cover out there, still plenty of time to get outside, do what you need to do, and then the storms really come overnight, which is nice for some of us. I know we like to sleep with the rain pattering. We're going to get that overnight tonight. And storm chances really do stay to our north, at least in terms of severe, but we do have to talk about the chance because where this warm front is sitting, as it does lift a little bit northward throughout the day, we do get this heat and a little bit more moisture, but then it just sinks back south. And what that means for us, it means our storm chances are pretty limited. But we do have the SPC that put us in a marginal risk today. So that is the lowest risk out of, 5. So 1 out of 5 is what we call this for severe weather. And really our threats are hail. We have like a 5% chance. So it's really not likely. Lightning is another risk for this. So here's a look at the day today. We do stay very dry. The sprinkles start to come in and forming really through central Wisconsin, through the north, throughout 7:30, 8, 9, 10, maybe a shot of a little bit of some thunder and lightning during then, but staying to Juneau, Adams County, Marquette, Green Lake as we go on throughout the overnight hours. It's tomorrow morning when we get to some more rain chances, a little bit more south, Monroe, Janesville, Platteville, Mineral Point, Dane County, even getting some sprinkles and showers as we go on throughout early Wednesday, and then we dry out for the rest of the day. So we stay most of the day today for temperatures in the 70s, getting to the upper 70s around 2, 3, 4 o'clock. The warm front drifts south. We get into the 40s overnight and then back to the 60s tomorrow. So today ends our 70 streak for a bit, 78 today, 47 for your low tonight. Here's a look at your extended forecast showing we get back to the 60s. Still not bad though, a little bit cooler on Friday, but our coldest high 61 and then back to the 70s this weekend.
It is really spring.
It is. It feels very nice outside. Have you been?
Yes. Wonderful.
Not as windy as yesterday too.
No, 10 out of 10.
Exactly.